Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're very excited. We have a very old Teletubbies Play-Doh set with the Tubbytronic Superdome. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So this beautiful set even comes with the original Play-Doh from 1997, but of course it is hard and we can't use this Play-Doh, so we're going to use some of our own Play-Doh. On the top of the Tubbytronic Superdome, we have two molds. We have a lion on a skateboard, and we have a bear on a skateboard or a scooter. There's flowers, and we open up the Superdome, and look what's inside. All of our tools. So we've got the Teletubbies, and we've got 5 of them. We have an extra one. Oops. So we have 2 Tinky Winkies, and then we have Po, Lala, and Dipsy. We also have our Nunu, and Nunu's going to have Play-Doh in here, and we're going to smush it out in the middle. There's a Tubby custard machine, and there is the telephone that is a little cutter, and then the pizza cutter is the windmill. And we also have a roller that's going to make flowers. We've stuffed Nunu full of blue Play-Doh. Are you ready, Nunu, to grow a nose? Whoa, Nunu's got a big nose now. Nunu. Okay, it's time to make Tubby custard with the Tubby custard machine. There we go. We have a splatter of Tubby custard. The Tubby custard machine also made a little Play-Doh cup of Tubby custard for the Teletubbies to eat. And Kitty's coming to check out the new toy as well. Everyone say, "Hi, Kitty." Hello, Kitty. It's the Teletubbies. Oh, and Kitty is sniffing around. So we've made a Lala Play-Doh figure. Let's pull Lala out. And Lala is yellow, of course. Hello, Lala. And here's our Po. Po, ew. And Tinky Winky. Hello, Tinky Winky. Ew. And last we have Dipsy. Dipsy, ew. Time to make a flower garden for the Teletubbies. Ooh, what pretty flowers. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.